square-off question. It'll just be one question. They each won $500 in the Texas Instruments graphic calculator. And now the first person to get this next question correct will be the one who wins another $500 and then goes to the bonus round for $2,000. So you've got the buzzers. I'm just checking to make sure they work. And they do. Good. And so it's the square-off question. There's Daniel's room. It's actually still very far away. But here. So you guys all set? Right. Good. Here we go. Square-off question. For positive integers n, we're going to define this funny symbol here, inverse tangent, and it brackets up in the air of x as follows. It's really going to be a composition of inverse tangent of itself many times. So when it's 1, with a 1 up there, that just means inverse tangent of x. And then for n bigger than or equal to 1, inverse tangent with that n plus 1 will just be inverse tangent of the inverse tangent of the n of x. Which of the following is true about the range of that iterated function inverse tangent composed with itself n times of x? A, the range is the same for all n? Oh, you just did, sorry.
The answer is A.
The answer is A? That's incorrect. All right, so I'll read the rest of it and then you have a minute. And then you can still think about it now, Victor, so that in case Daniel gets it wrong. As n increases, the range gets smaller and eventually includes only the number 0. As n increases, the range gets smaller and always includes positive and negative numbers. As n increases, the range gets larger, but not necessarily strictly larger. Or as n increases, the range sometimes gets larger and sometimes gets smaller. Victor's enjoying the choices very much. So that's good. So Daniel, everything all right? We've got 60 seconds. Any questions? All right. B, as n increases, the range gets smaller and eventually includes only a number 0. Incorrect. So you both signal in at this point. Yes, Daniel. C, we're working our way through the alphabet. Is it C, as n increases, the range gets smaller and always includes positive and negative numbers? That thing means yes, it is C. All right, Daniel, so now you're ready for the bonus question? All right. Have you picked out some members in the audience to share a potential $3,000 with?
Still working on that.
Working on that. And who's your favorite game show moderator?
Of course here.
Right, so we'll get to the bonus question now. And like I said, you can work out the 2 figures you want. Right? It's only one question, but it's worth $2,000. So we call it the $2 grand prize question. There's not 2 questions, but this one worth $2,000. Here we go. You all set? Daniel? All right. At how many times between noon and midnight does a standard analog clock with continuously moving hands have its hour hand and minute hands at right angles? Is it A, 11, B, 12, C, 22, D, 23, or E, 24? And then, just for the heck of it, I'm not going to give any money for this, but by clapping it in, how many people think it's A, 11? Right? How many think it's B, 12? Not too many. How many people think it's C, 22? Right? A little more action than A and B. How many people think it's D, 23? Quite as much action. How many people think it's E24? That's definitely the most popular action. Victor, were you thinking about this at all, or were you just thinking about the square off round? You said C? D? And Daniel, what do you think? What did you say?
I said C, but I think I made a mistake.
You say C, but you think you made a mistake?
Yeah.
Oh. This is where you start singing that Cher song, If I Can Turn Back Time. But notice that the time is gone, so you can't even sing it if you want. It won't do you any good. You think it's C, 22? You think you made a mistake? Well, we'll see if it is C, 22 for $2,000. Is it C? Yes, it is. You got to make a mistake, but you got it right. So you win $3,000. Congratulations. Thank you. I know you may want to go, but you've been a great audience. Thank you very much for watching Who Wants to Be a Mathematician?